So we've all had chicken salad and possibly tuna salad. Then you ever had turkey salad? Let's bring you this Thanksgiving tasting delicious entree.
This is one of our family favorites. First of all, get your turkey meat together. You can use leftovers. I just roasted it just for this salad. This is a bonus because over Christmas, I bought 5 different turkeys. Yeah, 49 cents a pound. I cut it up and froze it so that I have turkey all winter long, and it's just so affordable. Now, when you take your turkey, you can shred it, slice it, cube it. I wish I would have shredded this when it was warm. I had put it in the refrigerator, so it was a little harder to break up into chunks. So I recommend that if it's still warm and you're planning on it, just shred it up. It'll be a lot easier and juicier. Since I roasted this specifically for the salad, I seasoned it with regular poultry seasoning. And I also sprayed it with olive oil because it was deboned and I wanted to keep the moisture in there. This is one of our family favorites because when I think of turkey, I think of Thanksgiving and gathering and people together. Turkey is also very nutritious for us. I love cooking and being creative. Now, when you're making your salad, your tastes or things that you might want may be different. Just season it how you like. I put the turkey into the bowl, and now I want to be able to make sure, again, this was a little harder than I wanted it to be, only because it was cold. Now, also think about the things that you want to add to the turkey salad. So I do add some shredded carrots to it. I also had some celery, some chopped onions. You might want different ingredients. You might add a little bit of red cabbage. You might add green onions instead, whatever your preference is. Now, you might not want onion at all. So none of this is necessary. It's just how we like it. And the flavors tend to blend nicely. My only advice is when you're using onion or garlic or things like that, a small amount goes a long way. Do you see how I just grabbed just a very small amount? And I make sure I dice it really tiny and as tiny as possible. And the trick of the salad is having it sit for a couple hours. So you don't want to eat it right away. You want the flavors to blend. Other ingredients that you could add to this, you could add chopped apple if you want, fresh herbs. Some people add walnuts. And now we're going to also add some cranberries to this. A lot of people might just take grapes and cut it up. However you want to create this flavor combination. This for me tastes a lot like that Thanksgiving and people being together, and it's so nutritious. Now, you can use this for salad. If you're on a low-carb diet, just use lettuce wraps. I just love being creative when I cook. I started cooking when I'm thinking like in 4th or 5th grade. I was very intrigued with almost like how food is like artistry, the combination of flavors and being creative. There's no real right way or wrong way. So how you want to feed your family or experience different tastes, just have fun with it. And as you can tell, I don't kind of measure a little. I just say, oh, that looks good, or I might taste it. And sometimes you can chop the carrots. I like to shred it here in the salad. And if I would have had red cabbage, I would have added that to this entree as well. Shortly, I'm going to show you a way that we get away from some of the oils as well, because of course chicken salad and tuna salad and turkey salad has mayonnaise as a base, and that's a high oil. So what we decided to do is add a little bit of ricotta cheese to it with the mayonnaise to just cut back on the oil and add more protein. That is a dietary plan for us, but it always works. So let's talk about the seasoning. So there any way that you want. So you could use a regular poultry seasoning. It's a great combination. Just add that to the mix. When I was at Trader Joe's, I ended up getting, it's called leftover, everything leftover. It's a combination. It has a Thanksgiving flavor. It did have a higher salt, so just be careful and read the back ingredients to make sure of the salt content. And then also there, I found this turkey rub that also had a lot of great seasonings to it. And if you don't have it, use your poultry or use your sage or your thyme in different ways that you want to add. Sometimes I use just like a rotisserie seasoning and I just add that. We do use the mayonnaise. Now we use avocado oil mayonnaise. That's our preference. We're trying to avoid a lot of seed oils in our diet. And you can see I still use a good amount, but as I mentioned earlier, we like to add an alternative. Now you could do a sour cream. We do ricotta cheese. You could do cottage cheese. You can do yogurt. Why I chose ricotta, it's got a smoother texture, a little sweetness to it, but it's smooth. Ricotta cheese might have chunks, or yogurt has the digestive enzymes in it, or sour cream might be a little tangy. So that's why I chose that. But sometimes you just got to work with what you have at home. Now I mix all these together. The last simple ingredient I want to add is the cranberries. They add a little bit of that like sweetness to it, that Thanksgiving cranberry flavor. If you don't have that, you can use raisins. You can cut up apples if you want. You can cut up grapes. Like, just be creative to what is your taste. And you might put a combination together and say, oh, I absolutely hate that. And guess what? Don't do it again. You might say, oh my God, that is a winner. That is the joy of cooking, trying new things. But here's the secret. You've got to have those flavors blend. So we let it sit for a couple hours. This is such a great combination to make ahead, to have for lunches and dinners. You can serve this on fresh baked bread or just eat it as itself, or like I said, lettuce rolls before.
Let's give this a try. Ooh. It sat in the refrigerator for a couple hours to help the flavors blend. So let's give it a try. Look at all those yummy cranberries. You can have Thanksgiving turkey anytime. You don't have to wait till November. Try this turkey salad and feel free to experiment to something that you like. Thank you for being here at Mama's Kitchen.